everyone, Dev Walker here, and welcome back to my channel. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy travel, lifestyle, and fashion videos. I am back with another video. Today we are talking all things fall fashion because your girl has a trip coming up in a few days, y'all. We are going on a mini Euro trip. I'm going to Denmark, which will be country number 59, and then we're headed over to Paris, France, where all of the fall fashion is going to come out to play. Now, I really need some help trying to figure out which outfits will be coming in my suitcase versus what will stay home. So I am repurposing some old pieces along with some recent pieces that I just added into my wardrobe, and I'm going to style them for you all, and you guys let me know your thoughts. Should we bring them to Paris or should we keep them here? So without further ado, let's get into all things fall fashion in Paris. Getting right into it immediately, we are jumping into one of my favorite colors, which is also unofficially known as the brown girl neutral. We are getting into this orange two-piece set from Zara. I actually bought this over the summer and I wore it to the Delta One lounge opening over at JFK. This skirt set was such a hit, y'all. Everybody loved it on me. It is a maxi skirt. I'm gonna do a separate video here where I have it on. I love how the skirt snatches you in at the waist and then it just flares out at the bottom. So when you put both pieces on, it really does look like a dress, but it's really a skirt and top. And this orange, this bright orange, is just chef's kiss, y'all. Now, when I first wore it with my Bottega Lido sandals, but since it's fall, I'm going to repurpose this and wear it with some boots. And because it's not like a thick fabric, I'm gonna have to put on some tights under here. But overall, I really think this would look great in Paris, somewhere by the Eiffel. I know the girls love neutrals, and I love a neutral moment too, but we going bright. We going bright, we're going colorful, we're going loud, we're going I want to be seen. So I feel like this orange two-piece set from Zara will definitely be a hit out there. You see the pleats in there. It's a pleated skirt and a pleated top, and I absolutely love this set. And I may even break them apart and wear the shirt with a different bottom and then maybe wear the skirt with a different top. There's so many different possibilities that I can do with this particular two-piece set. Let me know what you think. And since we're on the topic of bold colors, let's get into this purple monochromatic outfit. Now, if you missed this Target Sergio Hudson collaboration, girl, I feel so sorry for you because you really missed out on a good one. It is the purple long sleeve maxi dress with the trench coat. Y'all, I feel like I didn't really get to do this outfit justice. Like, I wore it, but I didn't really go anywhere special. So I cannot wait to wear this in Paris with some black boots and a black bag. And this coat, y'all, this coat literally comes down to like the ground, and it is so well made. It fits amazing. It cinches at the waist. The dress just hugs all in the right places. I'm gonna pair this with one of my favorite pair of knee-high black boots by Schutz or Schutz. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I've had these boots for a while. They're my go-to black boots, and I just love it with this outfit. And I'm gonna probably carry it with my Fendi bag. This look in Paris, for dinner in Paris, listen, it's just gonna give, okay? It's gonna give for sure. The next outfit that I plan to wear in Paris is these wide leg pleated pants from COS. I love these pants. So COS recently had a sample sale in New York City, and y'all, it was complete chaos, but the prices were amazing, the pieces were amazing. So I was able to snag these pants, and I'm gonna pair it with this blue turtleneck that I got from Amazon a while back. I have them in every color. I will link them down below in the description box. And I'm just loving this cerulean blue monochromatic moment, and I think we're gonna need a pop of color here. So I'm going to pair it with my pink trench coat from Macaj. I got this from the Saks Fifth Avenue outlet over in Woodbury Commons. It's about an hour and a half away from New York City. Always find good deals there. But yeah, I'm really feeling like the monochromatic look. If you guys notice, these three outfits are all giving a monochromatic. So I'm really liking this. And maybe I'll pair it with, I don't know, maybe my white booties from Lulu's. They're like a low cut boot. They're very plain, very simple, and probably my YSL mini bag. But yeah, shout out to COS for these pants. They do have a stretchy waist, and there is no like button or zipper action going on, so that makes it super comfortable. Also, the dress that I'm wearing today in this video is actually from COS. It is a pleated dress. I might even repurpose this while I am in Paris as well. But let me know what you guys think about that look, about this look. Now let me get into the next one. The next look is also from COS. I was able to get this long sleeve, thick cotton flare maxi dress. I didn't really like it at first on the hanger, but once I put it on, I really liked how it looked on me. It does cinch a bit in the waist, and then it flares out at the bottom. It comes down to like just above my ankles, and I really like the casual chic look that this dress gives. I will definitely dress it down, probably with my Louis Vuitton desert boots with the matching belt, and probably my earrings and my Louis Sunnies, and it's just gonna be like a casual, I'm going shopping in Paris even though I don't need to go shopping in Paris. You know that, like that's the type of vibe that I'm going for when I think about this dress. So it's not going to be something that I want to be too fancy in, but I do want to be comfortable. I want to be chic. I want to give casual and just overall effortless. Now staying on topic of all black, I am repurposing some very, very old pieces in my closet, and I think it's really going to come together nicely. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to pair these old black high-waisted shorts from Primark. I will link some similars down below. Again, they're just some plain black shorts. And then I'm pairing it with this very old vintage sweatshirt. This is actually my mom's sweater, y'all. She had this since before I was born. So this sweatshirt is over 37 years old. And to me, it just still hits. It gives a bit of like an off-the-shoulder action. It's comfortable, it's casual, it's still a bit chic. It does have like a little bit of like a tear there, but again, it's almost 40 years old and it's still holding up strong. It has that thick material on the inside, so I won't be cold. And I'm gonna put on my Gucci stockings, y'all. I only wore these like twice. I really need to like wear these some more. So these are my Gucci net tights, and I think the three together with these booties, y'all, can you imagine this look together in Paris? This is giving brunch in Paris. It's giving Black Carrie Bradshaw. I love it. These Aquazzura boots, talk about a conversation starter. Every single time I wear these boots, somebody stops me and talks to me about them. They give me a compliment. They ask me where I got them. They tell me they love them. These boots are it. Now, they're not the most comfortable. They're not the most comfortable, but the look when you pair these boots on with pretty much anything, and the compliments that you get, totally worth the pain. I'll just pack my sneakers in like a little mini tote, and that's it. And speaking of conversation starters, listen, these Christian Louboutin leopard, studded, cheetah, plush, suede, all the things. These booties, I cannot wait to wear these in Paris. You hear me? I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with them just yet because it is a very loud shoe, so I don't really need to do much with the outfit. I also recently styled those boots with my slash Maison Margiela jeans and this black Banana Republic sweater. It was a super casual outfit, but it actually did come together very nicely. My cousin Tiana, aka London Nicole, styled that for me via text, mind you, and it really did come together like chef's kiss. I got so many, I got so many compliments on this outfit that I actually might repurpose it and really wear it again in Paris, y'all, because it's my clothes and I need to get my cost per wear. While we're on the Maison Margiela slash jeans, I know you guys have seen these all over the internet within the last 18 months or more, but I'm thinking about actually dressing these down as well. I'm thinking about just pairing it with this white ribbed cotton bodysuit from Amazon and just throwing on my Saint Laurent Andy sneakers with it, and just maybe doing like some sightseeing American tourist things in Paris, because we can't wear heels the entire trip, y'all. Those cobblestone streets, I will be on the ground. So this will be probably my like realistic, comfortable outfit, and since it is getting chilly out there, I might as well pair it with this very classic Saint Laurent, or Saint Laurent, since we're going to Paris, this Saint Laurent varsity jacket. I got this jacket about a year and a half ago, and at the price point, I need to pretty much live in this damn jacket, y'all, to get my actual money's worth. You know the Fendi poncho had to come to Paris. I love this piece, y'all. It is a classic, bold, loud statement piece, and also it's very, very comfortable. It is like a warm, fuzzy, cozy blanket on you for the entire day. I love the orange-red accent at the bottom. What I really love about this piece is that I don't really have to do much with my outfit when I wear this poncho. I can literally just throw it on with some black jeans, a black turtleneck, maybe some booties like these Sam Edelman fur suede booties with that stiletto heel that's gold, which I absolutely love. And that could be the look, y'all. The outfit, the poncho is the outfit. And last but not least, the last fall fashion outfit for Paris will be this long H&M sweater shirt situation. It's not a dress because it does open up like right below the sleeve, but it is like that warm, cozy material. I would probably wear it with like a long sleeve shirt underneath it because it is short sleeve, with these Abercrombie metallic jeans. They do stretch. I'll link these down below. Love these jeans. And for the shoe, a very old, now when I say old, I mean like over a decade old. These BCBG booties, which I absolutely love. Probably one of my favorite pairs of shoes of all time. Maybe I need to do like a favorite fall boot video. I feel like that's needed. But yeah, I'm thinking about wearing this long shirt sweater with these Abercrombie jeans and these BCBG boots. I feel like it's going to be like a vibe in a moment, especially in Paris. Now, I think this will be the last option because I did show y'all quite a few outfits. I know some of y'all are probably thinking, well, damn, is she moving there? No, I'm actually staying for like 4 nights and I just need options, y'all. And that concludes my fall fashion packing for Paris video. Please, please, please leave me some feedback in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of these outfit ideas. Do you think I should leave some of them behind? Do you think I should repurpose them a bit more? Do you think I should change some shoes? Do you think I should add a belt? Like, give me all of the feedback because your girl is leaving in about 10-11 days. So that is more than enough time for you to watch this video, share it with a friend, and give me some feedback. If you made it this far, please, please also give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.